The situation on Bitcoin, for those of you who are holders, well, it's probably a really good idea to buckle up very tightly and secure everything you have. Because as you can clearly see, the market is experiencing a very significant downward movement. And for those who simply hold their assets, as we all understand, you don't really make any money. Absolutely no profit when the market is falling like this, do you? You only ever make money, the real gains, when the price is actually going up, when it's on an upward trajectory. Now, for us, obviously, as professional traders, we actually make money both when the price goes up and when it goes down, which is a key advantage. And today, what I'm going to do for you is analyze the Bitcoin situation very carefully, and I'm going to tell you exactly where it's headed, what its next move is.
There are only 8 days remaining, a very limited time, to join the team. So if you have the desire, the inclination to join this thriving team, you will receive that incredible $10,000 bonus. And furthermore, what's even better is that I will personally add you to my exclusive team. This right here, as you can clearly see, is the Crypto-Quebec channel, and I will place you into my team right here, where the results you are currently viewing are not just my personal results, but also the impressive results of all the dedicated individuals who are trading right alongside me. We have, to be precise, 5,592 traders. I am 16 years old, but the team has grown to 6,500 and 5,592. So if you are genuinely interested and want to join my team, what you need to do is get on the platform, send me a message right here, and I will promptly add you to the team so you can officially join us. Now, let's return our focus back to Bitcoin, shall we? And as you can plainly see, we are currently on a red vector, people, which is, to be absolutely honest, not a good sign at all. And obviously, we can clearly observe here that the money flow indicator is showing red, which is a bearish signal. We can also see that the momentum is decidedly going down, decreasing significantly. We further observe that the stochastic RSI is also moving downwards, indicating weakness. And critically, we have a distinct red dot right here, which is another confirmation of bearish sentiment. And that white band that you are seeing, well, that's the VWAP, and that too is clearly heading downwards. We are going to zoom in and descend to a smaller, more granular time frame, and then I will be able to tell you the precise target, the exact point we are aiming for. Let's zoom in a bit, like this, so we can get...
I have been using this very technique, this precise method, ever since Bitcoin was at $10,000. Since it was at $10,000, I draw my Fibonacci, I readjust it, I give the target to the people. I meticulously adjust my Fibonacci, I give the target to the people. And now, the current target is a remarkable $68,000 for Bitcoin. We will indeed reach that new level, but that's the plan, So I truly hope that you appreciated this video and found it valuable. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask them. We are here to help, and I am personally here to answer each and every one of your questions. So I want to say thank you very much for your time and attention, and I will see you all very soon.